Hi.
Hi.
Continue.
Hi Sam, good to see you after a long time.
Yeah, hi. Same here.
अरे वाह चांद पे
हाँ.
सही है. Guys, are you able to hear me? Wait, I'll unmute you.
Yes, sure.
Yes, hello.
अरे Anna is also there. So guys, we have Samidha with us, and she's very experienced in the field of animation. She has worked on many Hollywood movies, blockbusters, and let's get the value and the expert suggestions and the tips from her. So I think she should be introducing herself to us.
You shouldn't be. I know animators are shy actors, but it's not really mandatory. At least you should be, since I need to see people, right? We are all at home right now, stuck. So it's better to have a face-to-face meeting. This meeting is only till 12:30. So like I don't have too much of time to talk, but if y'all have any questions, please shoot. My name is Samidha. I have been working in this industry for the past 12 years. Yeah, around 12 years. So I've been working in a lot of companies here, jumping here and there, mainly as an animator. Now I'm working as a lead animator in Mr. X and MPC, Technicolor, if you all know. So yeah, if you'll have any questions about what are you all doing? Is this a whole animation batch only, Santosh? Or is it
Sam,
like mixed?
no, some are aspirants, who want to join. Some are students, and some have actually finished their courses. So maybe they want some finishing tips from you, and some maybe want to know how you progress on the shots when you get a shot. Those kind of questions, maybe, right? And also ask.
Okay.
It's a mix, actually.
Okay. So yeah, does anyone have any questions? Please ask now, or forever hold your peace.
I think you should be showing your showreel and whatever you have done, Sam.
I think they can easily search for my name and look at it. Okay, it's not really difficult to find. You can just search my name on Google, and you'll be able to find the
Give me your
showreel.
link. Can I share from my end, Sam?
Sure. You can share. It's there to share. So
Yeah.
the more people see, the better it is for me.
Right.
Right? Yeah. So anyone has any questions, please
Varun?
go ahead. No one has any questions? Don't want to know what you need to add to your reels, what you need to do in a work. I'm sorry? Your voice is very low. Varun.
It's probably my
Varun.
mic something. Can you hear me now?
Yeah. You're low, but I can hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah. The thing is, how do you manage your deadlines and how do you progress your shots? Uh, I'm having a hard time doing that actually. So stressful to manage my time and give a good product, give a good result to the client.
Okay. See, we are artists. Okay. If someone is sitting on our head with axe dangling over our head, you won't be able to uh, produce, or you won't be able to do your shot. You won't be able to put that art in your shot. Okay. You'll just do whatever is being told. So forget about everything, forget about deadlines, just go ahead. Okay. Block it out, see that all your performance, everything is there in your blocking itself. And once that is done, once that is again, you will have to go through a lot of iterations with your lead or your supervisor or whoever is looking at your shot. But yeah, like it's a process. It's you don't I would suggest, don't worry about the deadline, concentrate on your art. Okay, as an animator, or I'm sure it's all mixed. So whichever, even modeling or whatever, you will not be able to perform if you are in tension.
Yeah.
Sam,
Okay.
I'd
Thank you.
like to share the works.
Now, Santosh, but
Yes, yes.
they can see it. They can see it easily
Same,
online.
No. Just allow me. Just 2 minutes.
Okay.
Are you able to see the screen?
Yeah.
Yes,
If
Yes,
you
yes.
want to show my first reel. First, the one that just came out when I just came out. Then I think that would be more.
Which one? This one?
Not this one.
Exactly.
This is LinkedIn. No, LinkedIn. I don't keep my first reel, Santosh.
Then
It's been 10 years on Vimeo.
Vimeo, can you share me the link on WhatsApp or?
It's there. It's on there on Vimeo. Creature reel there. No, just go there.
Okay.
Go to go down. Click
Yeah.
on my name. Click on my name. Up. Creature reel. That not there. Down.
Yes.
Down. See, that's why I was telling you we'll waste time doing this only. Go down. Go down. Go down.
Okay.
Ha, you
Yeah,
can
this-
see that. Ha, click that.
So, which one? Which one? Which one?
Go down. Go down. The first one. So it will go on for a long time. Go.
On.
Load more. Load more. Down. Okay.
Reel 2013.
Go up. It's not here. Oh crap! It's not here. Okay. This is the first reel after like my first company. So
Okay.
yeah, you can show that. This is we were working together, Santosh and me, in Rhythm and Use. So like this is when we worked on Life of Pi.
Wow, क्या बात है? Music.
Yeah. Don't pay attention to the music.
Copper Penguins. This is from Percy Jackson. Awesome.
Thank you. Thank you.
सैम ये लेटेस्ट वाला कुछ था ना तुम्हारा ये तेलुगु मूवीज का वो किसमें ऊपर है?
Latest wala is not this thing. It's वही पे Vimeo में the latest file I think it was.
इसी में देखा था मैंने.
Not Catlick but the
Make-
previous one.
Make का देखा था मैंने.
अच्छा.
Make के साथ.
Not this one either. It's 2017 का एक है.
यही है 17 तो.
No. Okay. Go back. Go back. Go back. No, wait. Click on my name. I think. Click on my name. This is the one.
This one. Okay.
This one.
ठीक है. कौन सा ये वाला? है ना?
Like this is only this doesn't have my previous work. This is only from 2017. I don't think it is playing properly, Santosh.
From my
It is all choppy actually. Like it will happen because we are all sharing.
right. Share your works to them.
It's better that you just share it later.
Definitely, I'll share the link.
अभी आपने क्लियर किया ना कितने लोग हैं?
This was mostly from Tao, like when I was working in Tao.
मामा किसने बनाया?
अरे ये वेबिनार इन्होंने बनाया एनिमेशन,
इन्होंने
ये मेरे फ्रेंड है।
ये सही था।
Yeah, this is just a test. This doesn't belong to a movie. Okay.
VFX లో యానిమేషన్ సంబంధించి చూద్దాం. ఎందుకు అవసరం జస్ట్ షూట్ అయిపోతుంది మనం అనుకుంటా మనం నేర్చుకుంటాం.
There is someone's. Hello.
Yeah. So that was my work till date. So does anyone have any questions? Do you all want to know anything about the industry? Is anyone already working here?
Okay, guys. Varun worked as a storyboard artist in Suresh Productions for quite some
Okay.
time.
Okay, cool.
And Ketan, sir, he's a trainer. Hi, Ketan.
Hey, hi Santosh, how are you?
Good, yeah.
Oh, the reach was amazing, by the way. Like super,
Yes.
super amazing.
Thank you, Varun. So yeah, we still have how many minutes? A few
15
minutes
minutes.
left. Yeah, it's only 15 minutes. So tell me, like, shoot all the questions that you have.
Ma'am, I'm Govin.
Hi. Yeah,
Hi,
Santosh, you can stop sharing.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi, Govin.
Hi, I actually wanted to ask you about this thing. When did you know that you can animate these kinds of amazing reels?
You know, I would that is the reason why I wanted to show you all my first reel. The first reel that that happened like just when I just came out of Frameboxer, the institute that we had in Mumbai. Okay. See, institute will only groom you in one way. Okay. The once you're on the job, okay, especially if there is an apprenticeship, we had that apprenticeship. What is the word? Okay, whatever. It's like a job where, but you are being paid for it and you are being trained in it. Like most companies have that. Ridhwan Hughes was the only one that had like a year-long training program. Okay, most companies just train you only for 1 week or 2 weeks or maybe 3 weeks max. Okay, so like if you have that apprenticeship program, whatever the word is, please take care. I mean, you should take advantage of that. The pay was really low, but the knowledge that was gained during that time, we cannot, we never got that again. Okay, so like that is like you're actually learning with people who are actually working there. Okay, so yeah, that huge transition took place during that training period, and then once you're on the job, then you get these shots. According to your level, they will assign you the shots. If you're a beginner level and you cannot handle very complicated shots, then they'll give you like a simple, you start simple and you just keep on growing up. keep on getting more and more complicated shots as and when you are performing. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So when did I know I could do this kind of shots? I never knew. I just kept at it. Never gave up.
Ma'am, I've got a question.
Yes. Tell me.
Like,
Who is this?
how do you approach multi-character shots, and how do you plan it actually? Because people are really scared of doing those like. I remember, like, with Boogie, I shared there were 22 characters on for RFPD, so we shared, we do a virtual line and तू उधर कर दे 11 characters तू उधर कर दे जब भी वो line cross होता है तू animate कर दे. So other than that, like, how do you plan in different studios, like?
See, we used to have in Rhythm and Use, we had that Meerkat wali shots for Life of Pi, where like the shots, there was a huge number of meerkats, and yeah, we divided the meerkats. Like, one animator will do these many, like they divide. Okay, according to the screen. Okay, this first quarter is yours. This is second quarter mine. Third quarter, fourth quarter.
इधर आएगा तो तेरा, उधर जाएगा तो मेरा.
Yeah, but like especially if you have dialogues, okay, like those are fine. Like mostly what happens is in these kind of shots, crowd animation takes place. Like that's a different department, crowd animation. Okay, they basically create the cycles, okay, that they can just put in later in the shot. Like if say suppose I am here, you all can see me right now, but there's a huge crowd back behind, but I'm the main character, so my animation will be done by the main animators there, and that behind wala people will be done by the crowd animators. Okay, they don't do as such, they just create cycles that they can just put behind.
Guys, basically those crowd animations are also done by the animators only, but they are, they are kept as a library, right, Sam?
Yeah.
It is
Okay, so that they can.
Yeah, animators only.
Sometimes what happens, crowd animation means also like, yes, you have to give them cycles. Those cycles are also done by animators only, but they input that into a software where they multiply it so many times.
Right.
Okay. But if you have a short, say suppose there are 4 characters, main characters that are talking to each other, they are doing. So like I would suggest start from pencil and paper. Okay, you have to stage it, apply all the staging timing right on the paper itself. Your poses at least you can draw. Okay, I'm not talking about like very beautiful drawings, I'm talking about stick figures. Okay, just staging them, where they are going to go, what they're going to do. Also, like you would have to get references is like I would say your life depends on that. Okay, so you need to shoot references, you need to shoot like 4 people talking to each other, you need to observe what is going on. For that one shot, I don't know if you'll remember, there was one shot in my reel where there were 3 creatures that are like interacting and throwing stuff at each other, hitting each other. For that, they had a reference shot. Okay, so but it's mostly like all slapstick animation. Slapstick is like मैंने उसको थप्पड़ मारा, उसने मेरे को थप्पड़ मारा, एकदम actual interaction with each other. Okay, and it's supposed to be funny also. Like if you'll see Laurel and Hardy, I don't know if you'll know.
Yes.
No one knows. These people were not born also. We were also not born, but
Old school.
Charlie Chaplin.
Yes.
Okay, that kind of animation, that kind of a style of showing things. Okay, basically where there's actual harm done on the stage. Okay, so and it's supposed to be funny that way. Okay, so the director wanted that kind of a feel to that animation. So like, yeah, you start from, again, you observe the reference, what is going on. Of course, there was a part where one of my animators, one of my leads only, they suggested that, yeah, why can't we do a part where they pull someone's pants down. Okay, that is funny. All the kids will laugh at that. I was like, okay, yeah, let's include that. So that's all. It's a developing process. You start from paper and pen. You discuss, shoot references, plan it out. Only once you have everything about everything that related to your shot, then you open Maya. Okay, so like it's all about planning. Okay, yeah. Any other questions?
Can I ask a small question?
Yes.
Actually, the thing is, how do you come up with acting? Acting for a character. You're talking about shooting the reference, right? How do you decide like this character is going to act this way or this character is going to act that way? How do you come up with character acting?
See, if you're the one who's doing a shot, say suppose it is a test shot, then it all depends on you.
Mm.
Okay, but if you're working in a studio, if you get a shot like that, then there's a description that is attached to that shot,
Okay.
that this is required. Like the director, there's something called as a kickoff, or here it is called spotting. Okay, where the director or the supervisor will actually describe what is happening in the shot.
Mm.
They will give you the specifications that this character is this type, this character is this type, this is happening, and this is what is going to be the conclusion of the shot. Okay, so like everything is given.
Mm.
But how do you, okay, yeah, so once that is described, all you need to do is just put that in, you act it out, get as many acting references as possible, and then pick which part you like. Okay, there may be like there'll be 5 or 6 acting references that you shot, but out of them only 2 or 3, okay, might be good. In them also there'll be some parts that you like. Okay, so like
Okay.
it's all mix and merge.
Okay. The acting reference you took, you have to show that to the director also.
It depends on the director, it depends on the supervisor.
Okay.
Okay, if they want to see, okay, say suppose if you are in fully CG, mostly CG, okay, what you would have to show the acting, because they need to see what is good, where what are the beats that you're hitting. Okay, only then once they are fine with it, then you can start it on your Maya shot. Okay, but yeah, that's about it. Like
When making like acting choices, like how helpful is a storyboard? Like, is it, do you like copy frame to frame from a storyboard, or do you use it as a reference?
storyboard is mostly reference.
Okay.
Okay, like since the okay, if you get a shot, how many frames of storyboard will you get? 2 or 3,
Yeah.
right? Okay, if you're lucky.
Mm.
Okay, sometimes it is just one picture and that is your shot.
Mm.
Okay, so like
Yeah.
you can't do much with it. Okay, but there might be some poses that they are hitting, okay, in the storyboard, which might be helpful to us also. Okay, we have to hit that pose. So yeah, storyboard, see, storyboard is helpful to the director to show him like where what needs to be done in a sequence. Okay, there was a time when like I had got a storyboard saying that wherein these two characters are dancing, okay, and they are talking.
Okay.
Okay, so like but it was just one frame like this, one frame like this, one
Yeah.
frame like this, one frame like this.
Yeah.
Okay, so like it wasn't that helpful, but then when I actually blocked it out, the director was like, no, we need one of them to be static, one of them to be, it keeps on changing.
Okay.
Okay, the ideas keep on changing, the director will keep on so that's why we have that safe zone called blocking,
Okay.
where you don't show everything all together, we don't animate everything, and that will be too much. So
Yeah.
blocking is like a good place to show the director this is where it is going. So then the director will say that, okay, I want one of them to be a sloppy dancer, one of them to be a good dancer.
Yeah.
Okay, so it develops
Mm.
as you go ahead.
Okay. Thanks.
Anyone else? No? All questions answered? 2 minutes to go. Santosh, you're on mute.
Okay. Guys, Sam needs to leave actually. If you have any questions, you can ask quickly.
I have one last
And
question.
don't
Is that
leave.
all?
I want to talk to you, all of you guys, once Sam leaves. So don't just leave the meeting.
I have one last question. Is that all right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, the thing is, how much time do you get to a blocking pass, or how much time do you get to do a finished pass, or how do you spend
See,
that time?
it's better if you don't think about time.
Yeah,
Okay. I know that the production people, most irritating people, they will always come and say, is your shot
okay.
done? Is your shot done? Is your shot done?
Yeah.
Tell them it is not done.
Okay.
Okay. Your lead will always understand,
Mm.
hopefully. Okay, I try to understand people, that people have different speeds of working.
Mm.
I do tell them that I do want to see your blocking pass. Okay, because here in Mr. X, I don't know why, but they want to see everything together. Okay, like they actually are expecting you in your blocking pass to spline it out and show your animation.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, but there are some companies where you don't have to do that. Blocking is like really stepped blocking. So it shouldn't take you, say if it is a complicated shot, okay, it's fine if you take 2-3 days.
Mm.
But to show one pass, I'm talking about just one pass, okay.
Mm.
But if it is a simple shot, you should be done by a day. Okay,
Okay.
just blocking I'm talking about. Okay, so simple one character shot, running around, say, yeah, you should be able to give one pass at least in a day.
Okay.
When I say pass, it means that you'll get
Yeah.
other input also from your lead, from your supervisor, from everyone who's above you.
Mm.
Okay. Okay.
Chetan?
Everyone's reels are ready.
No, not everyone's. Chetan, any question for Sam? Chetan?
No, Santosh. No increase.
Sam, I've got a question.
Tell.
So people keep asking about, acting, animator should act, but like how far an animator should choose acting himself? Because if he's not able to act it out, then he'll end up choosing a bad reference, right? So when not to act and when to act, if you can elaborate on that.
Wait, not to act. Okay.
Because,
Santosh,
yeah.
you know that I'm a kind of a tomboy. Okay. For me, dainty or females acting is a very difficult thing to do. Okay, so then I have to find the people who can do that. Okay, find the people who will actually have that daintiness, have that girly attitude,
That's great.
which I like. I'm sorry. Okay, but yeah, so you'll have to find the people. You'll have to
Right.
actually make them act, or maybe if someone is really muscular, okay, or you want that kind of a walk, so then you have to find that fellow, muscular fellow.
So that weight and body mechanics will depend on that, right? We cannot act
Yeah.
for the weight. A lean person cannot get that kind of weight which is required for a heavy person.
Yes. Okay, so of course you have a lot of if you're into creature work, okay, it's not always about people or bipeds.
Right.
Okay, bipeds definitely you can do, but creature work, then you have to heavily depend on your internet, YouTube, your Getty Images, your BBC, all these clips that you get online. Okay, you have to heavily depend on that. Yeah, it's just about finding your right people, right references.
Ma'am, I've got one question.
Yes.
how do you actually, start gaming animation? Because I'm onto gaming animation a lot.
Okay. I don't have much experience in gaming. Okay.
Okay, that's
Other than
okay.
I have
That's not a problem.
I've worked mostly on VFX. Okay, gaming is a different industry.
Yeah.
It's kind of very technical. Okay, they expect you to actually know a little bit of scripting also. Um, not little bit, a lot. And yeah, I think gaming is mostly it's about the cycles that you do. Okay, the cycles that they input in the software then later.
Yeah.
So of course they do have the game cinematics. Okay, if you are the cinematics, this thing it's cinematics is similar to VFX. Okay, or VFX or CG, say suppose.
Yeah. Yeah.
So like if you're doing that, yes, then you're like an animator like me only. But if it is just gaming industry, if you're just starting out, then yes, it will be mostly cycles that you will do. Okay, how do you start? I don't know because I haven't worked in that industry.
I
Sorry.
worked on
I
few
did
cycles.
try though.
Yeah.
Did try to get in, but for some reason it didn't happen.
I worked on few cycles for some games. So generally, they give less of anticipations and they code it in a way, they make it faster. So generally,
Yeah.
it looks less of weight and reflexive. It is very reflexive, like very instinctive. Like the moment you press something, it gets played. That timing is very faster compared to the game cinematics. Game cinematic is almost that quality, right, Sam?
Yes.
Little acting based and those things. Slow. But when it comes to the game, it is faster. It is coded in that way. The speed it is sped up actually.
Okay. Any other questions?
Ma'am, just one last question.
Yes.
Regarding animation tests, I want to inquire something. I recently did a couple of animation tests for Mr. X and NPC.
Okay.
So I actually did not get a confirmation. I just wanted to know what kind of quality do they expect from the beginners? I mean, students.
It actually. I'm sorry. Did you say that? Did you give a test for Mr.
Yeah,
X
ma'am.
and NPC?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. What kind of quality? See, it actually depends on your reel. Okay. Everything, whatever you do, is depending on your reel. I haven't really taken any tests here yet because I myself joined in March. Okay, so they haven't really asked me to give a test, but for a beginner level, I think the assignments are designed specific to a beginner level or a lead artist or a senior artist. Okay, so if you're a senior, then they'll give you another test. It's not the same test. Okay, it's a different. The tests are divided. It's not. It's according to the levels. If you're a beginner level, then the test is a bit simpler. Okay, and the quality is like the highest possible that you can give. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Like, can you tell me what kind of a test were you given?
Actually, I received a couple of tiger references. One's actually jumping onto a block from the ground and then walking a bit further.
Okay.
And the second one is actually crossing a couple of rocks, a side river, a river bank.
Okay. Yes, but okay. What kind of, see, Mr. X and NPC have been in this game for a very long time. Okay, so like Technicolor has been around forever. Okay, we used that even before our time, I guess. So the expected quality is the highest possible. Okay. But if you are starting out in a very small company, okay, very small, just maybe a few people working together, then they might give you the concession of the quality being a little less. Okay, but they for big MNC companies, you are expected to know your craft.
Thanks.
Okay. Any Anything else? No? Cool then. Everyone ready for the industry? All right. Santosh, done, right? You're on mute again.
Thank you so much, Sam,
Yeah.
Thank you.
for all that.
Welcome.
Really
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
ma'am.
Thank you for answering my questions.
So guys, don't leave. I'd like to have a word with you for 5 minutes. And Sam, thank you so much. Would like to
Yeah.
see you again, you know.
Okay. Sure. If y'all are shy and y'all didn't want to answer ask any questions, okay, y'all can always email me. My email is on that
I'll share you those links.
reel. Okay.
Reel.
If y'all were too shy to ask, I know there are people like that. So, okay. All right then. Ciao. Bye.
Thank you, Sam.
Good luck with
Thank-
your careers.